Okay, here is the B section to Beaumont Rag. Let me play it for just a second here. So there's two positions here. One. The second one looks just like your C chord here. It is your C chord. Alright, so the first position is, it's really a G chord that we're playing. But we're starting on this note right here, the B on the second fret of the fifth string. Just playing a G chord starting on that fifth string. And then we're going to add this note. So we're going to add the second fret on the third string. So we've got that's what's happening there. And I am going to use my second and third fingers for that. Excuse me. Alright? And real in slow motion. And if I was counting that, let's count eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's do that one more time. So starting on this, I'm basically like if you were to play if you were playing C and you went from C down to G here, that's where that's where this position's coming from. So I've got ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so I just played the second position here, which when I play this, I'm just going to play my C chord, put my left hand into my C chord position. And but what we're playing, the notes we're playing, C on the third fret of the fifth string, E on the second fret of the fourth string, open G. And there's A on the second fret of the third string. And do that one more time. Here we go. Play it with me. Not like this. You play it like this. So now when I do that, I'm really, even though I have my whole C chord down, I'm really just using these two fingers. I'm laying this second finger down flat to get that A note on the second fret of the third string. You could do it a different way. You could play something more like. Set up to where you use two different fingers for that. To me, it's a lot easier to just lay that one flat. So see how that feels. Let's play the whole thing together for just a minute. So we start here. Then we go to the C position. Then we go back to G. Back to C. I continue to play it fast. Okay, so that is the basic thing that you have to figure out is how to do. You're holding a certain position, almost like you hold a chord shape, even though it's got this one moving piece in each case. And then the real work is happening on the right hand. I'm doing a down, up, and what happens with that is that you get, to start on the G shape here, you get down, up, down, down, up, down, followed by up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if you think in terms of little sets of 3 notes, little sets of 3 pick strikes, you're going down, followed by up, followed by down, up, down. It keeps changing back. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Probably not strictly necessary that you play it that way, but I do think that that's probably the way that works the best. Okay, so here we go. The whole B section, because there's a couple other little parts in here, so let's start it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then the C. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and back to G and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Anyway, don't worry about that part right there. Let's just get the cross picking part figured out, and then we can dial the rest of it in from there. Okay. Back with more.